Pop Tory tell me. So only never tell me say the international woman of information, of people business, of information and receipt for Miss Lothan. Oh no, come tell me that. I everything me for jump fence come tell you no. Lord God. The international woman of international information and people business. Say Miss Lothan have how much lawsuit a court where she a go pan to pay back people money where she borrow. Me no know how them know people business, so if Miss Lothan ever come out come talk like a lie, she a tell she have the receipt them. Over 6 years me you know so no receipt for one woman. But all now me can't see nothing come up where is of substance. Nothing can materialize that you can have a court case. But yet still you don't want to see the back of these people so much. I want to have the receipt them, but them can't come up front for present in a court. And if you no want to go court, you might have even people where more than you want to see the back of such woman. Give them the receipt them. Yeah man, give them the receipt them. They might have the time if you don't have the time. Probably true you is not educated enough. You're afraid to face the court because you don't want to cross question and all these things and you tie up on yourself and you end up behind bars. Or you don't want the lawsuit to reach you. You understand? So all the receipt you have or always have cannot come forward at no times. Now you're going to say you get, and you never know, sir, Anita, Lothian, she name and one bag of sickness. So all of a sudden you have receipt and know. This is what, you see when you're dunce and you have eyes to see but you're blind, this is how people lead people, you know. Yes. This is how people lead people because basically, you get the information from whichever source I don't know. But at the same time, she don't know if she has been misled or whatever papers or documents she claims to say she have. She don't know if she don't have a clue if they are forged documents because technology is so sophisticated now and you know they're on a high and you have these little brain people who we would have considered little brain. When we say little brain now, some of the kids that is so much advanced than us adults because remember the technology improving a them era. We used to typewriter, them used to computer. And the specs and the knowledge of computer gone up every day. Because Dell want beat Vel and Vel want beat Cell. So every day them increase the technology. So she would even know if somebody just want to give her some content to run with her, probably set her up and so she not have the knowledge of that, but allegedly she come out, come say Miss Lothian in a one piece of pass had more than one somebody lawsuit in paying back money and how much $1,000 and she go court and the court and she said she can't pay $1,000 and she pay the first 1,000 and supposed to pay X amount a week and all no, me don't know how she get so much details. Oh, you get so much details and say one woman Miss Lothian must be the owe because Miss Lothian come out on phone, come say how much she in collaboration with other people with how much $1,000 out of aid to send to Jamaica. The woman say, but wait, but you have money carrying I do aid that you owe me and not pay me. Boom, the woman carry her go to court again. Or carrying her to court. So I don't know if it's a new client that carrying her to court or it was something they in the court already and the money not pay and the woman just relax. But no, because Miss Lothian put out that, the woman get high rated and decides, no, this can't work, you owe me and not pay me, but you give money to charity. And so, one bag of name calling in the video, she exposed, like she tried to expose Miss Lothian love affair with the international artists, reggae artists. I don't call her name because my back broad for certain things, but it's not broad for some. Although we can't say allegedly, but when we hear from yourself, me not have to say it. And I don't know that name I got drag in it. Because if you remember, sometime 2 weeks ago, the lice woman in England come out claim to say she had given Miss Lothian advice. And we're saying that Miss Lothian need better company and friend. And because of the friendship of such woman, when I sit down and tell her this and tell her that, and one bag of sickness, so she come in return, I congratulate the lice woman of England and add fair peace to it. And I say, Miss Lothian want to live above her means because she a lick head with such woman and one bag of thing and one bag of sickness. I could just drop another video. Jesus Christ. And when it got up, I wonder if the winter caught Lothian hungry. Because probably Uber and all these things, nothing now go and feed, so she hungry and need some sort of income. Despite she said she don't collect money from social media platform because she don't monetize her pages and her channels. But we do know you get money through the back door. You get money through the Western Union, the Zelle, the Cash App, the PayPal and all these things. So basically probably when you come out here now and do these things, your people who enable you, who lead you as blind also, you know, it's like them get a kicks from it, so they're willing to send you their money through Western Union, Cash App, PayPal and Zelle. So that's how you collect your money. That is how you collect your money. You might don't get a check from YouTube or Facebook, but that's how you collect your money. And it's obvious. So you come out in the winter, you know, because no Uber work now around, because people are there travel and all these things. People are hold back on the money where they would spend on Amazon where you can go deliver goods and all them sitting there. Just the necessary people are buy. In the cold weather, you know, in the winter. Yeah. So you have to find a way to come out. I don't know where you spring from back all of a sudden. People who can get into the video, I don't know what they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, and hit the thumbs up and hit the video. We're going to jump right in it. Please to watch the ads. Just remember, please to watch the ads. That's how the channel gain a revenue. Continue to support the backup channel, Life is a Mission TV and YouTube. And please remember, as I done do that video, I promise you to drop the pigtail fritters over the weekend, which is between yesterday Sunday. I like drop them video on Sunday evening, but me kind of get caught up, and when I check the time, it done gone, and I drop my video them within certain hours. If certain hours pass, me about I drop them and wait till the next day. So as I done that video, I'm gonna drop it, so who know how to make this the pigtail fritters, which it is not hard. It's just the same procedure, actually same procedure as making saltfish fritters. But you might wonder how I prepare the pigtail to do the fritters. So you will see all of that. So just tune into the video, watch the video, like the video. Please don't skip the ads, don't skip the video. Just watch the video. If you don't like the video and you're a supporter and not a fan, because you saw time cold, nobody not turn on fan right now. So you just put on the phone and make it join and support the channel. Alright? So just watch it later. As I don't do this video, you're not going to see that video Tuesday still, you know. But when I don't do it, because Monday evening now, as you see, but you want to go on an outdoor video, but just say me I gotta do it. So you now get the pigtail fritters. So who not watch it yet, you can just go watch it now. So you can create a different form of meal for your husband or your spouse, whether a man a cook for him, woman or a woman a cook for him, for your man, alright? Because you have to twist the things in the kitchen. You can't get every day cook the same thing. You can use the same meat and cook it all 20-40 different ways. Alright? So you're going to learn something again. So just follow me on YouTube, Life is a Mission TV, and support the channel also. TikTok, Life is a Mission TV, and continue to support the merch on the website of charmsandtrends.shop. When you continue to support me, I give back to the needy. If you need a rent-a-car, link me up. 876-221-9789. Speak my mind rental. Once car is in, you know it go. Alright? Bless upon yourself. I'm going to jump right in the video now.
One quick question. Lothian, come here. Lothian, run, come to the phone. Lothian, run, come to the phone. Quick. Me just ask you a question. For your friend.
When you care or matter,
you understand?
Lothian,
run, come here.
Just want discipline.
Run, come here, Lothian. The last time I checked me here, you say you never borrow no money to open your 2 business them. And you that praise God, oh God, just make you open your business them. Lothian, me not understand what I want. Then Lothian, the rich man where you there with him name? Burning deer? I can't spear, I must dare. Me not together with the spear, because I'm a spear you. The rich man where you there with burning deer, him couldn't help you.
You hear them talk positive and confident, like them know what they must say. You hear how she talk positive and confident, like she was the bed or the house, the four corners of the wall.
Settle the matter. Out of court. Last year, one lawsuit for 39,000, and all you give people them $1,000 lot and come on, man. Do you say I make 100,000 a month? You see me tell you, anytime on a par with crosses, destruction, I go take you. You should have humble yourself. If you say lie, put out the receipt. If you come out and say you know you have no lawsuit going on with lender, will lend you their money, and you can't afford to pay it back, I put out every receipt. I now put out the receipt, you know, we just ask you politely, come.
So, alright. Let me ask a question. So, if you're not doing these things for likes and views and money, you have come out with a story like this. Why not just put out the receipt same time? Because you already are informed or misinformed the public of a situation. And you have the receipt for the situation where you are informed or misinformed the public of. Just put out the receipt. Why you go hold the receipt for your other day for a response from whosoever you want it from or who you want to say this, then you come prove. That simply means you're doing it for likes and share and money. You're not doing it just because you want to prove a point of corruption or you want to prove a point of people who out here are going like them and live high life and them not live no life. Can't just feel like probably everybody at Marcy are the same thing. But me I say put out the receipt, because you have the receipt, put it out. Just make one thing and done, because you're not doing it for likes and share, and I like other people might have do it for likes and share, and you know, would have hold it because them want somebody to counter them, then them come back at them, so them have a little confrontation going on, have content going for a few days, so them can make a money off of the video. You not make money off of it, so just put everything out here and lay to rest, and then whosoever you want to respond to you will come and respond, and and then after that, you do what you have to do after that. Because the amount of all leg name people are mixed up in this are sitting here, you know. One woman, because she alone, you know. She have one woman calling at the end. I wish pa me do the video. All leg name and the woman are mixed up. Lady trying to make leg find you. And I think he will find you. No worry. If him not come out already.
Tell the nation, because you know what? If I did somebody else that happen to, social media black. Every vlogger have it. I never want to put you out, you know, but me say, you know what? If I did it, other shoes
never
around.
Want to put you out.
Your big friend that come out, your million years, she can't lend you no money. Your million-year friend that come out, because you don't really trouble nobody, you know.
Them no
but you
worry
see them say, show me your company, me tell you who you are. Yeah,
them
and the company where you choose,
and go on like
them
them
on the wrong
worry
side, so it might have to come out.
But uno no worry
and it might have to come out. Just February 5th, Lothian was
everything
in court.
Everything we talk about millionaire and rich friend.
Keep so quiet.
Millionaire rich friend.
I don't know if me say a vlogger say Lothian liar. Although me not make on a program me. February 5th, Lothian was in court.
If I ever hear a blogger say a lie, I put up, as a matter of fact, me not make on a program me. Because guess what? If a blogger come out come say XYZ, you have nothing to come out come prove. So you retract back the statement where they're gonna make. Because you know if the blogger come out, you're not going to put out and you're going to look away. So if a vlogger come out now and say XYZ and you know put out nothing, people can remember say you retract back the statement to say, okay, you know make the blogger program. You don't have no receipt, man. And anything you have, I more feel like people are mislead you because you are so blind, dumb, and deaf. You understand? You're so blind, dumb, and deaf, anybody can take you up and lead you. Ray Charles can tell you, say, yes, see the sun grain right there, so there, me see it. And you run go look for sun grain. I remember Ray Charles can't see, Stevie Wonder can't see. You understand? And them type of people they lead you, with them themselves, blind and can't see. And when I say blind now, no, in a real life, what me really a talk about. When me say blind lead blind. Alright.
Buckling lawsuit where she borrow people money. She borrow money from lender. February 5th, 2026. That coming like a yesterday, that you know. Can't today 8. That a couple days ago. Lothian was in court. Last year, August, Lothian was in court for pay back, agreed to pay back 39,000 US. And Lothian, you come out here, come tell people, come talk about you and your friend partner. Send 89,000 what are things at Jamaica. The lender them want that video there. The lender them want that clip here where you come.
The lender them want that video here. Where she come out, come say she and her whatsoever say how much $1,000 come at Jamaica. But listen now. All the lender them get the video. When you are gonna say one of them hear the video. Or you're talking all of who is involved where the lawsuit is concerned. Because you come back in a split seconds, you know. Come say I hit one of the person here, you know. So me I want the other person they send you the information. Because you come back and say I hit the person here. Because when you come out here come speak, you know, I'm afraid to say allegedly. Because you don't want to make it look as if you don't know the nooks and cranny of all the details of what you talk about. So I'm afraid to say allegedly. The girl, because I'm not going to say no woman. Because them are people who come on social media, come join us, somebody like your platform. Me can't style you as a decent female, or not a girl. Yeah. We come at the end of the program, at the end of the video, come talk. Right? She I gonna say allegedly. She Lorraine jump up and say, me not say allegedly, you know. Because me have the facts right there, so. Remember, when you get documentation, as I say, can be forged. You understand? People can alter documents. Technology increase. You weren't there. So why are you afraid to say allegedly? So you don't want to make people business on a claim to someone put out here, all when a fictitious stories. You don't want it look so real to people, for people to believe on so much that you fail to say allegedly. You make it look like you were there, you were a part of the signing agreement and all those stuff, whatever the case may be. I'm going to tell you, you're going to get your mouth going to get you in a trouble soon. Because I notice, because you realize things not happen where Dana is concerned, you start to flap your wings elsewhere. Yeah, you start flap your wings elsewhere. And remember, it's not everybody going to be calm sea like Dana. It's not everybody going to think like Dana. Say, Chuck, God will deal with them. It's not everybody going to think like Dana. Say, boy, I mean, no money if you go waste a courthouse on them because where they send, let them go and chat. After 6 years now, them a chat and me still a prosper in a life. Me not see no changes with the 6 years with them a chat and everybody a go think so. You have some, hey, just like how you have some man, me can't tell you this. All when them mother pass and gone much years, you can't tell them them mother. You cannot tell them that. War. While all a man like me now, you could have tell me a million times, me nah look at you. Because me nah go make sure you tell me me go get in a trouble for you. Use ignorance and then after me sorry. No. But some man you cannot tell them that. No go tell them anything else away from a mother. And that is how you have people out there. You so long you not test Dana faith 6 years and hard going strong. You not go and test the wrong person's faith in just a week, a day, or an hour. And no mouth I go get you in a trouble. So you just continue to do what you do best, man. Till the end that you Waterloo reach. Like when Edwater bus.
Come out, come do. I it why you start up charity. I it why I tell you, say me da come for you, you know. I tell you, say me da come for you. Remember me tell you, Me just never ready did to let out the puss out of the bag. But I told you that Lothian I was going to come for you, come tell the public why I run. You want to taste my soup? Yeah. She. You taste the shrimp? Lothian. I did tell us I come for you. So how did the house go? Me soon deal with the house. Me not throw out everything one time. Let me see. Let me see how you ask me. Because when me say no name, me not like no name.
Remember, you know, in this video, as them always say, Miss Lothian not trouble people. Miss Lothian not this as bad as thing be. So why you not always see it fit to go at the people them who claim within themselves and not trouble people and you know them not trouble people, them not involved. Most of these people always try to call peace despite associate with the woman who hate so much. But that's the reason why. You realize you cannot bore such woman, so you try to bore everybody else around her. You understand? Because you feel like in your brain, when you bore the people them around her, since the drill can't get to she, when you use the drill upon the people them around her, they will take themselves away from her and she will be left standing alone. Then now, you probably know she feel like she weakened because she have no barriers around her to take off some of the blow that you throw. So you get an opportunity now to go back at her and see if you can. That's one of you try to separate the people them from around this woman. And you also try that within the 6 years. And it's still not happening. And who want come, who want go. Simple as that. Because a Father God basically is in control. It's not your friend where you sit down with you on this, so. It's not your associate or your acquaintance or people in general. God in control. So all the donors and the supporters of her channel, God lead them to support her. So at the end of the day, if him want to cut off whosoever him want to cut off, he will. You can't cut off yourself. You understand? So all the try as a single individual or a group of individual persons, I try to do something against God's will, it will never happen. That will never happen about a cat voice. So now go try harder to not have a heart attack.
My question, more of my regular people them there, You understand? Let me see the name we asked a while ago. The name they look very new.
Then I say attract new people every day.
Lord, yes.
Because the plank of them are diverse.
Come here, big last suit. Yeah, we have a lot and I come tell say Lord a liar. So me just ask for your friend. Ask Lothian for me if or they go February 5th, 2026, if she settle a deal, because last year Lothian was in court for $39,000. Lothian don't pay after that, Lothian pay $1,000 and agree to pay $2,000 a month. And Lothian no pay it, so them a go walk me back another lawsuit panel. The lender, me not tell you no much she borrow. It's a new lawsuit, this what my panel. That's why you see Lothian come out what the other do the live. I said nothing na go on. Because she want the lender them for years say nothing na go on at the shop. But in the same breath, Lothian, you come sink yourself. That when you come put up on your page, say you and your
them people are so smart that they think for people, but them cannot think for themselves. Because everything what she say, I say, I think she actually a think for Miss Lothian, Because she a think what Miss Lothian do or why Miss Lothian say what she say. But it's still them I can't think for themselves. You so smart them is? It coming like Curly. Curly can put food on my table and everybody else's table, but she can't put food on Fiara table. She have to come out here and beg food for Fiara table. But you come out here every day, or you put food on other people's table. How can you put food on other people's table and if you beg for food upon your table? So you put we in front of you. So this only show you say these people just come out here and talk be a crap and nonsense. Because they can think for people, they can you know, what you call it, advise people the way to go, but them can't think for themselves and advise themselves. Jesus Christ, so bad.
Friend, partnership 89,000 US worth of things to Jamaica, and you owe me, I go feel some type of way. True. And that I push me for carrying a court, because that the second lawsuit take you. You understand? You can't owe people and come brag. You mad? Because if me lend Camille my money, and me say Camille just a brag on what she do and know say she owe me, I feel a type of way. You understand? Me I feel a type of...
Alright. Make a quote from what she has said. If whatever she is saying about this charity where Miss Lothian involved in her, you can involve into an organization, but your involvement is not financially. But at the same time, you play an integral part in the whole organization. Because you can probably be the secretary for the organization, you can probably be the organizer for the organization. Remember now, when Food for the Poor, Salvation Army and Red Cross giving away millions of dollars out of aid to people, they are not the ones who come forth with the cash. It was given to them from people as donation. So, Ms. Lothian can come out, come say XYZ, but at the same time, financial wise, she did not play that part, but she's an integral part of the organization where probably documentation, secretary, and all these things. So what you're saying don't make no sense either. It don't make no sense. Not because you hear say me, alright, speak my mind, just and a group of people just send down $1 million US worth of aid to Jamaica for Melissa relief. Speak my mind, carry fine $10 US. So where the hell me forget $1 million US from? Alright, I know me alone because it's a group of people. But when me forget, me can't find $10. So which part me forget money for putting in that now? Me not put no money in there. But I play an integral part of the whole organization. I can be probably a volunteer who persons who in the whole organization have a truck, need a truck driver. I give hours of my time towards this charity to reach Jamaica. So I play a part. So I can come and say I XYZ because the hours that I have given to this charity by driving this truck from point A to point B on a regular basic hour to hour, day to day, if you check those hours and half, I at the lowest income of a truck driver in America, it's a wallet that me donate. So monetary me must give no cash. You understand? So sometimes only just look right, only come like some driver. Them a drive and just right pan them bonnet, them a see. And one long stretch of road ahead of them now look ahead of them and just pan them bonnet, them a look. So you say if something for that's why most people crash, because them just a look right pan them bonnet. Them can't see what happen ahead of them. So them can correct another man mistake, because most time when there's the accident and you at fault, other people, so you can't too careful on the road if you not meet an accident, because you have to look out for the man when you're careful. So you can correct any mistake where him make, so you have to drive for him and yourself. Sometimes you don't know only reason, but only reason to show so you have no form of primary school education, because at least even primary school education can lead you to a good reasoning. And as I said, with technology so increased right now, even basic school picnic, prep school picnic can give you a good reason like an adult with experience. Remember me telling you that. But uno stuck right on there. Because all uno believe in is to put on interest in people business. We want to see us strive. People will elevate themselves, because we don't want to tear down people back to phone level, because we try everything to reach to feed them level, can't reach. So the only best thing we have left to do is tear them down back to phone level and not honor God. That will happen unless him want it to happen.
Feel a type of way. If me understand, so you know have if you pay about that different, but if you tell me say you partnership in a 89,000 partnership, that means you have to go half and half. If me and Camila go do something, it have to go half and half. Better Camila say boy, or me say boy, me not have enough, me I give $1,000 towards it. 89,000 partnership, that mean you pay 44,500. Help me if me count, know say me a dunce.
You're glad you know, you're illiterate.
44,500.
It's not just mathematics is concerned, you don't. You just don't overall.
Get it wrong so.
Because it just go back to what me just say. You feel like say, Miss Lothian have to put money in it. So through 85,000, she put half and the next person put half. Come on. Come on.
No, brother, I'm telling you, maths wasn't my favorite either. You understand? When me kind of get through with the English and never get through with the maths. Yeah. When me can able pass the English, maths are me no friend. So I get it wrong so. Me want me at them, yeah, that me tell. And this is what I said, people. When you see people live them internet life and them fake life, don't grudge them, don't bad mind them, don't envy them, cause you don't know what them doing. The lies where them have to tell out here, thank God me always saw Walmart, me shop.
You're so confident in what you're saying.
I go catch to a Ross jeans.
So when me put it on, them I say, watch Lord in Walmart and Ross.
Them just confident because... Walmart go follow me a shop, millionaire. Year before last August, me wear one shirt for Steve's birthday. And in December, me sit down and wear it. That me laugh and say, like, funny. If the shoes they turn the other way, if it were scammer, then I put it on first, and then me go put it on, you'd hear say me bad mind. But
one, it's not a designer shirt. If you say it's the only one made. Where you know, say you have some designer, once they make one or something, I just one it make. Who buy it first, buy it. It's multiple amount of those shirt make. That's why Dana could have able to buy one. Two, you're not recognized to say, okay, Dana see a night or people see a night. So them know say you have one of that. Probably if you never thought, no, nobody would know say you wear one of them shirt there already. But the thing about it, Dana is so recognized that she put on that shirt. There is so many other people see her in that shirt who might like it and inquire which part she get it or go seek it or look one for buy. So that's the difference. If Dana did see say you wear that shirt, because this only show you say Dana now watch Uno, but Uno can't able for watch if you know where she put on, where Uno have one or Uno did buy one or who have one and she see and go buy it. Dana is so important that Uno could have able for watch her if you know that. But Uno is not important, so she never able to watch Uno if you know say Uno did buy one, because if so be the case, she Uno buy it. But at the same time, this shirt never make for you alone. Because when you buy one, it wouldn't be any more available that anybody else could have buy one, that Dana herself could have end up buy one that you could have see her night. So all these simple little things want to come out here, come talk about, make us sound so childish. As I say, not even childish. We don't pass the stage of childish right now. Because as I say, the little basic school picking them right now is so intelligent because of the increased knowledge of technology. You understand? So they're even more intellectual than Uno. Right now you would have reason with like a basic school or prep school picnic. We don't talk about high school now. Them reason better enough for Uno. Quality reasoning. Reason where you can sit through and get something from it and assess it and say yes, you know, say you're right. Even if you think another way based on the reasoning, just how that child reason with you, you can come to a conclusion to say yes. You're never too old for learn. Watch it. I look a 7, 8, 9-year-old child sit down and reason with me upon something. And I could have picked something out tight and say yes. People can't sit down with you all day and can't get nothing from phone reasoning because you're not dumb, deaf and blind. And ears still don't have ears to ear, because nothing wrong with the hearing. You don't have eyes to see, nothing wrong with the eyesight, and nothing wrong with the mouth. More than some of the mouth just think. And that's why I come like you have to just chat so much. Mother like to see you all the near and fish ground. or one market area chat because the amount of fly would have fall for your Mount Lothian. I told most time when we see you indoor or in your vehicle. Would I like to see in an area where fly populate the place that I call down a fish ground or around a back market which part the whole of a cabbage stripping and them sitting in the dash way. Would I like to see in them places where populated with fly because as you go and start talk you're supposed to just a nyam fly. Really feel your mouth think fly, you're supposed to start follow your mouth. They follow the dirty thinking cabbage and follow your mouth. Oh no, say cabbage and one nice smell. You just make it, as I'm telling you all the while, just cook little cabbage in your kitchen and strip off all the little outside part and left it all in a sitting with little water there. And forgot to clean up the kitchen. And tomorrow morning when you wake up, smell that the cabbage water there. When me I go them say, go ahead, like cabbage water. And I want nice smell. And if they fly them, I go left that the cabbage water and cabbage scent if you come pitch in your mouth. Something wrong. And that's how you have to chat, so. If you don't have a monetized channel, when I get paid from YouTube, I want to behave so much. You want soon have a monetized channel. Because all Jesus Christ business you come out and come chat one no know about. Just to create content to make $1.
For Steve's birthday with a nice black pants. And she go put it on right after me. Right? So she no
so
bad
basically,
mind.
I watch Dana watch you and see you night and
Make
look
the
at you
shoes
buy.
were the other way around. Make the video the shows.
So Dana just see you night, like it and walk down the whole America figure buy it. She don't even know which store you buy it in, but she just walk down America and search Burlington, Furlington, Zerlington, this and that to find out if them she can get a shirt like your own because she like it. Put your toe. The woman just go about her waist and see the shirt and happens to buy the shirt and it just happens that you did have one.
She first put it on. I remember me talk all the time so me shop at Walmart, you know, so it's still on me, on bad mind, you know. When them...
And when you talk about shop at Walmart, like Dana is this person who, you know, pretend to be somebody who is just Gucci and all these name brands she buy. Come on, we have seen it in Jamaica. Dana wear a shirt that value $400. And she not afraid to come out here come talk. Umpteen time people say Dana in a things and as me always say, when you see celebrity in a things, people always feel like it's expensive. But make me when I add no name, Avatar, it's cheap. But when them say the celebrity in the same thing, it's expensive. Sometimes the celebrity them in some like cheap something. Because this celebrity is not really into fashion. Them eyes set on a bigger price. It's not about fashion only. You understand? So sometimes them wear some simple little things because them don't have them name already. If them put on one $50 t-shirt, when you see them in it, you're going to feel like it's 50 million feet. But if you see me in a t-shirt, you're going to say I want cheap t-shirt because what? You don't know me have no background of having any financial support or no status where me a celebrity. So anything me have on cheap or when me have on dearer than the man who a celebrity one. So then somebody will shop a cheap place day in day out from Jamaica. So what you say? Then I never come out here and make it look like a big expensive things and brands she wear. So we are trying to put the people them head out here and see and know that.
Them shop at Louis Gucci and Michael Kors. Remember, so them the place that them shop, you know. And me come out here and tell the world, Walmart me shop buy for $21. Something say. And me just carry the price go and show him. So lie you a tell. Lie you a tell. You get the price wrong. Them trick you. See it here $16.99. No put nothing upon it. Cause them think them could have share me. And the whole of them run with it. Shall we a $21 dress? Me say, take it back. At $16.99 we pay feet in Florida. I will never forget that dress. My sister man say, Lothian try live above our means. If you couldn't afford 2 restaurants, you should have do 1. And take time. I hear a vlogger give you some good pointers. Some good advice. And I say like you take them, we shall happy that you receive them and you work towards them. If you have a friend like The
A jealousy
advice
lies
was that
jealous.
Brother
Because she
give
have a business
you
similar and
own
nothing
in
not
a
go on
this to
feet.
the Lothian. But you have a friend where them live show off life, so you have to in the show off life. No live above your means. Live right within it. But when you follow company where live a show off life, you have to take a show off life.
On a serious note, where in a phone you see Miss Lothian live a life, you know, above our means? Tell me the honest truth. Which part in a phone you see Miss Lothian live a life above our means? Is everybody dream to purchase a home? A nice home where them can live in, so when them retire and can't work. At least me always say, people will easy to assist you with some food or carry you to a medical institution to get some medication or get some doctor visit for look after you if nothing to do you. But it is hard. This part is for people to find a place of residence to put you up. For instance, now the ghetto, yes or no. Majority people are rent them up here. Barely have space to themselves. Couple people might have them own place, but them own place limited to them and them family. You live amongst them for years. Some of them you all grow them, but they just don't have any space to put you. While if you, in your days, your A days, you didn't make preparation of a roof over your head, and you reach a certain part in a life now where, God forbid, you take sick and probably you can't hardly find food because you can't work and this. It is very easy for somebody to come, one of your neighbor or your friend back then, to come and get a car and carry you to the health center or public or give you some food or whatsoever. Come and tidy if you can't help you tidy yourself and those things. So everybody need a roof over them head are the first thing that people think about in life. Car, a nice little car can move them around and a nice little house. So nothing is wrong if the woman choose to buy a house. Nothing is wrong if the woman set her sight and run in a business and expand that business to another business. Nothing is wrong with that. There's a lot of people who have done the same thing, who have more than Miss Lothian, who are multi-millionaire than Miss Lothian. And things go down the hill because it's not every time you start a business, it is going to flourish same time. Sometimes it's not every time you start a business, 3, 4, 5 years after it still not flourish. It's you, if you know, say, boy, alright, you give yourself a time frame, you can't lose more than X, X, Y, Z. And if when you go so boom and open that business and you see it now work, go back to the drawing board. Some people will fight and fight along till it work out. And this is why some people can come and hear and tell you, say, this is where them come from, and this is how them reach. And at one point, them feel like them for giving and them never give in, and them fight and fight. Some tell us within 3 years, them lose a lot of money, but the 4th year, them start pick up. Some tell us at 10 years, and them still, but look where me they now today. Suppose me they give up within 10 years. So nothing is wrong. So when you go say Miss Lothian a stretch her hat where she can't reach, the woman a stretch her hat to try elevate her life, to live comfortable and live better off in her life. It's not flossing the woman a floss and these things. Life is all about a gamble. And if you're going to gamble life for a purpose, nothing is wrong with that. It's when you're going to gamble your life without a purpose, there's something wrong. But if you're going to gamble to elevate yourself from one place to the other, nothing is wrong with it. So when you're going to come and say, me not see Miss Lothian as that woman the way. Sometimes I wonder when Miss Lothian get time for sleep and have sex with her man and all and sitting there. You understand? Because the woman is so busy in her business, or do her business, because she just have her goals set and reach in certain places. Probably when she reach now, she can get more relaxed, where she can hire people, and she pop on now and again, and she feel comfortable with her staff, where she can do it just as if she did there do it, or she did it, she not fear say, boy, me a fear will stick over them back for do it. Over a period of time, as some people get confident and can relax, because you set the stage. So me don't know where you come and talk about the woman that put her hat where she can't reach. Come out here, come explain what you mean. Which part you see her every day in this whole heap of fashion clothes and you know and hairstyle, and she gone here and there and she taking plane from Brussels to this to that to Germany to this to that. Eh? She traveling to Paris every week. You see them something there? So what you mean she put her hat where she can't reach? Taking chances to put her hat out there to elevate herself and go forward in her life so she can get comfortable when she reach certain age is putting your hat where you can't reach.
You understand? Take the advice where the vlogger give you, because it's good advice. Sometimes we give the advice them and them sound rough and hard and you might think I hate, but I know hate we hate you know we see so now go down a road where destruction pathway and we are trying to help you know, before you fall down in there. But you know call it bad mind, you know call it with wicked, you know call it with envy, you know call it with hate, you know beg PD come build platform, oh them is the haters. And them they will build the platform and I say them not nothing about them because them not advice now, no. And somebody come and who go through it and know what is it and I tell you, yeah, so them
advice
haters.
So no advice
yeah, so them bad mind. See it there?
What record
we
have out here?
Against your name.
Where
you think that look good for business woman? Nobody not going to trust you for lending another loan. No a reputable place not going to trust you because you blow two loan. Them have you in a court. It don't look good against your name. All because of you try to live above your means. The time you fly gone all boat with burning.
The amount of people borrow money to try business and the business not work out. But at the end of the day, the people in the business, if the business not work out, you have to pay back that money. So whatever you're saying here, allegedly, if even so be the case, she never do nothing wrong. Even the man who having millions of dollars, most time I borrow money because them don't want to use for them cash. Them don't have the asset and the collaterals, but them borrow the money. Plus the bank itself, when you could have billions in the bank, they might tell you have billions in the bank and you want 20 million, and they might tell you if you borrow it from them and leave your money. And sometimes I wonder all that with the sense. Me not have my money and borrow the money for pay no interest. Me I draw my money and when me ready, me put it back. If me can't put it back, I want to put it back. If me not put it back, I feel me. So nothing is wrong if the woman it even where you are say it go anywhere like how you are say and the woman see a way out she want to improve her business and borrow a loan. Nothing wrong with that. Miss Lothian the first and won't be the last year borrow a loan. Bigger Miss Lothian and million and billionaire people borrow a loan, much less Miss Lothian. Right you think you have the World Bank? I borrow money from the World Bank. IMF, all these places. I borrow countries, prime ministers, and all kind of people borrow money from.
Beer, cause that is not spear. With burning deer, that is not spear. You're in your restaurant and try and make it. Make your eyes them dead, cause when your eyes them not dead, the cashier can do about anything. Everybody had their own boss. And that's how your business will run down. You hear? You can't rely upon camera. You have your present affidavit as a business owner. But no, you have to live for social media because you pick up a crew name, show off, and brag and boast. See there? Disgrace. I did tell you anything go around than a destruction and take it. See man in England. He will never rise back. Anything go wrong, I run me alone, so tan so good say too. Anything go wrong.
So let me ask a question now. The man in England where you talk about, me not hear no news say him not run no business and him bakery lockdown or whatsoever. But because you not hear him name prominent in the social media space here so, that simply mean him gone down. Sometimes I wonder how the reason still, I don't know, but you see life different, but you see life is suit for the narrative. So we have to just give and take, we don't know sometimes. And allow them to embarrass themselves.
And that is a plank, sister. It's just that me that said long before him come with it. Anything that have a bad energy. Me here doing a play one life today with her, where she tell people them no need.
So if so be the case, where is cartoon? If so be the case, where is turtleneck? If so be the case, the one where they got meet, where the one the name where say she have her money and she have her pitney, must be the acoustic pit. What you call them pitney the way kinda, yeah, where they got meet and Yana end up jump off. Your energy not good if so be the case. Because all these people were close allied of yours that they on your platform day in day out to help you tear down people. But where are they now? Eh? Where are they now? So what kind of energy you have? The energy spoil like the spot where underneath your foot. Yeah, I saw the energy spoil where you have. And a bad energy you have, a spoil energy. Spoil like where you have on your foot.
Money if you do if you go down at the country, them can do volunteer. You can 20 worker down the other day. None of them tell us them no want the money, them a volunteer. So your team them, you for pay your team them and people for just get up that country go volunteer.
It come back to what I said earlier on. Dana never tell you that, you know, but you don't want to fix it that way there. Dana is probably just saying, you don't have to have nothing to give, like money or clothes or food. But just as I say, if some people are go down and you see some people are don't want to go volunteer on the labor, you can go volunteer because the people them want a little help. If a group of people can organize to go down, go help, bitch up back to the house and play a little labor role, or if you're a carpenter or you're a mason, you can go do it. It's simple that the woman is saying, but you feel like say the woman, I tell people said them to go down a country, go do this and go that for no money at all. The woman never dare say that. There's a lot of people that feel like them want help, but them not have the cash to do so. But yet still them have the talent. Where them amazing can go down go flash up one little house, lay 2 black. It's simple that Dynamite say, you know. As a matter of fact, me not idiot. That's simple. What she say, because just like when you come out and talk about the woman that push a picnic. The woman that ease the child from out of the camera because most times it's not good when you video child. In especially certain circumstances. Even on TikTok, you can't have underage picnic alone upon the screen. You have to do it as an adult. As TikTok take down your page. So we know these things in social media. So people are going to prevent that. Sometimes them do escape, so be the case. I want to make a big thing out of the woman that show a picnic when the woman was just trying to keep the child from the camera. Because if she put her up in the camera, on the same under say all the people, or she got expose the people them live it in the school or the shelter with them, you know, them and live and put up picnic just because this and if she do, and if she not do, it's a problem same way. So she can just continue to do what she feel like best.
Here I know no news coming coming on. When she got country, she realize that food the people them want. Planka people food them want. So now them have to go find a fresh set of money again.
So you have a problem with that?
Fresh set of money.
You have a problem with that?
And she go care about 30.
Why you are the one having a problem with it because you are not a donor or you are not a planker?
I left she for tomorrow. I reach with Lothian little. Lothian, I hope you learn from your mistake. What all make mistake in life is how you grasp it and what you learn. And Lothian, let me ask you something. That means like, right now, nowadays, man love woman with big booby, you know. So them booby don't know where for burning beer. Eh? Them booby don't know where for burning beer.
So the spot on you now work for Steve. The spot on your mouth now work for Steve.
Run with burning deer.
Because if you live and married to Steve so long. If you live and married to Steve for so long, me know you never married to him with sitting where you can't stand up. So that simple mean that the spot underneath your mouth, that good your false teeth clinch the sensitive part of the man private. Your false teeth would have clinch the sensitive part of the man private. And you don't know, say, I eat that. You just poison the man private, it can't get up back. You worry about Miss Lothian boobs and burning spear. Worry about you and Steve. Worry about you and the man that can't have an erection where you're married to. I mean, no, you never married to him without having an erection. Him didn't have an erection. So you are the fault because you clinch him with your false teeth and the sensitive part of him private.
What also? No give me a boobie for one pan. Go for the other old man where you da wine out. You have to go back a court and a 2 lawsuit against you. One you try second last year and you still never pay people them $2,000 a month and you not pay them. But you put per year pay. But Lothian don't have a hearty. You know say you whole lender. And you can put on your platform. Who fool you dare you? If you put on your platform, oh you and a friend just partner and spend 89,000 US and we go send plane go Jamaica. Then you don't know say people them a go sue you. You don't think the people them a watch your page? Them a watch it like cause them need them money. Me never want nobody and not pay them and put out that statement. They you must be mad. All if me do it, me da fi hide. Oh no love show off, bring disgrace, my darling. Stay humble, stay in your lane. No follow no scammer, no criminal. Cause when them a show off and them not do a day work.
The same one want to say clean.
See there?
Eh?
Then all them people party I wanna keep on your
want to say have to turn up on her foot till her foot swell, bake her cake, then she not do nothing to achieve what she have.
And you spend how much bandana? 1 million a year? I read the backside this God. Let me come go here before Steve, cause Steve soon come up here. Tomorrow again we talk. Who this you know? Let me see who this. Show off life. And see it there? This grace take on no. If you come out here and say lie, me I tell you no Lothian. If you come out and say I am lying, I'm going to post my receipt. And I'm going to talk where it can't be found.
Why don't talk from now? You're not looking views.
Anita Lothian.
And you don't have
make mistake.
monetized channel for money, so why don't put it out now?
Lothian kitchen. Nah, make no mistake. No mistake. Not really know say your name Anita. Everybody knows say your name Anita. Let go burn in there. Let him go out in the wilderness. Cause if him $1 million year and him can't help you pay off them last two year that your name never him should have beg you could have said.
Why you not let go Steve we can't service you?
I saw we
well, you have to hold on for Steve.
When the woman in Florida done with her.
You have to hold on for Steve, you know.
When the woman in Florida done with her. Like funny?
You and the woman in Florida and make one.
The one drive for she sue me. And I found the name of pop up all over in the pen code
you and
paper.
Mr. Max
Look
make
at
one.
God.
You and Mr. Max now make one.
The whole I don't agree if she sue me. And you know, say I should hold on the name of pop up in the court paper. I hold on the name of the pen court paper. I'm still there talk. Lothian, keep the fire burning as usual. People, why you come and say it? If the shoes did depend somebody else foot out here with them not like, it wouldn't be a secret. So since as a social media want it, anything you find about me, take it, tell me. If you don't find anything at all, put it out here, no hide it, no save it, no water it down.
Right now I got
Put
alone
it
left
out.
to them concuss.
Because I still have to live.
You understand? Because I remember Dana place God every day and I say I got to challenge party there and I got this.
No
I got
water,
alone
no
left to them
hide it, no
concuss.
keep
Then
it.
cuss everybody when I trouble them once them a feel
If I find
hate
anything
with
about
Dana.
I'm coming to put it out.
So one now we pan to cuss God. One afraid to cuss God?
Can come out.
Eh?
Always sit down with this man named Burning Steered. And
You're a caller, you
the
know.
man in Jamaica, but in a furniture place, so them buy TV and them buy this kid. But yet still, we know say lie.
Hear them
Yet
class to
still,
defend
she
them
owe
narrative.
money.
Hear the class where them have to defend them
Let me say
narrative.
allegedly. Let me have to say allegedly. Let me say the part there. Yeah, me. She owed 39,000
That's
last
why
year.
your mouth are putting
Went
a problem.
into court August.
Just wait, it's
Give
coming.
them $1,000. Agreed to give them 2,000
I like how you
a
have
month. She did
freelance
not.
now,
Another
so you
suit
would
did
look
the
up on the
suit.
right person
This
soon.
year is a new lender take out a lawsuit against her. She went into court on February 5th. And why them take it out? When them say she put out, or she partner with woman and pay 89,000 sent to Jamaica and I go send plane down there. How can you owe people them money and I brag on social media like that? bragging about all of that and bragging about sheep buying a house. You old people, allegedly, sheep
No
old
man,
people,
no man to live out a door.
know, you know.
People
But me have
success
to
are
say
pressure on a
allegedly,
mad
sheep
on a
old
man.
people come on social media
Oh, no
bragging
one see the
and
success
boasting
of
about
nobody.
buying a brand new house and spending the how much $1,000 to send to Jamaica and poor people. Send for Dana on big limousine. Pay for the biggest hotel for Dana stay.
Alright, Miss Lothian, that's how you go on. Are you host Dana? Are you your money host, Miss Dana? Oh.
Make it make sense.
Dana, you never come tell us how Miss Lothian money host you.
I say I go sweep the whole of them, like, you know, when you sweep out that dirty house, I say I go clean out that dirty house, the man. You see, you know what she call dirty money? No, man, I know dirty money, yeah, dirty house. All of them who is behind that scammer, that was
dirty heart, I gotta go sweep out first. On a dirty heart and corrupted mind you wanna have towards people, it gotta go sweep out first.
You're not gonna make them know what time it is.
Gotta go use the broom and sweep out on first.
That scammer will come out and say that she collect $400,000. We know that when she said 400,000, it gone over $600,000. And for she to
so
come
a man
out
think
and
it, so is he.
People must go and give her what you call it?
The mindset you wanna have.
Volunteer. When she can on the people them down there, the people have to pay them. Volunteer when she get over 600,000 become.
One thing with the planker them. The planker donors them. Once them see people a volunteer, but them see all the people them put them effort in it. One thing with them. Them always send a little token for them. So I see why it should be a problem to Uno when Uno are not the one a dipping on the pocket. Eh? I don't phone no money, so why Uno worry? Uno speak about these things over and over and see it still happen, I Uno still a worry. Why? Uno son can't change the mind of the people them. All Uno has said charity mash up and no money now run and this and all kind of things. Every minute you move from one thing to the other. So one no work, I saw build up something else. So when build up something like no work, Uno come with something else. Good God.
1,400 because we know when people are send money, all 6 people have the same name and a one name at all. You understand? Plus pick up money when the money people them get their money out of the way.
Lord God.
Because she said every much $1,000.
You know people business, bro.
The person have to get either $3,000 or $4,000.
But you are so think and a sound that operate and just feel like everybody's the same.
$600,000. That was one trip. And you know, when you look at it and you see these people watching this woman scamming them, and them continue to allow her to scam them, I guess the money is really dirty. And everything about them, Lothian, she, Phoenix, and all of them, and the Confederates, them, they're all dirty. And you see some of them as Confederates, they're going to make which part they live.
Jealousy are one hell of a city.
It's going to turn up.
Bad mind and jealousy are one hell of a
something.
something.
I make them continue the way them do. You know, so them I get exposed. One by one. One by one, them
and
going
expose
to
now
court.
get exposed.
One
Una go
by
collapse.
one, them going to court.
Collapse. Una go
One
collapse.
by one. Who are now going to court and go to prison. You see, all the one of them called true legendary. Make it
Leggy.
true legendary. Him going to be a legendary. Wait, but I know the truth one and the wrong one, the liar one. So make him come out and make him there behind Auntie. Last night in there that shadow alive in the pan Auntie Dana. Dana, when he said Dana, when he tired, he said Dana, he said Auntie. When he tired.
When the hear them can't tune into the woman. And then now them feel like say they are important. Just like how she feel like say Dana see her in the blouse or the frock and go buy it. When Dana just walk in the store probably and see it, like it and buy it. And then she have one. Over telephone and she buy it after, but she says she'll wear it before and people see. But who knows? Because nobody now watch it, because nobody now be important like that. You know, like the woman and just sit down and watch the woman night and day. So if you just show on how to stay, you just want things to speak. You just want things to speak of, you know, so you have to watch her to have something to talk about.
He said, Donna. Then when
Right now, me a plan to watch Donna more than me right now.
No, me supposed to
Trust me,
say
affiliate,
antique.
them watch Donna more than me watch Donna.
Wait, man, then I say nothing yet. Them don't say nothing yet. When I go to prison, I go get sued. They come on social media. They integrate people.
You not live long enough to see it.
Stagnant. God, I go make them see what stagnant look like.
You not live long enough to see what you want to see and your friend
He that
then.
exalted himself shall be abased.
She never agree with the stagnant word. She did tell the coach and must not say that about people. Back to work, not tell a lie for her.
Well, no, me not talk about she, cause me never hear she said that. But I the one we go print it. And you see the one them will buy the t-shirt, we talk about
Hey, that's
stagnancy
the
shall never be
stagnant
my
things
portion.
sting them, you know.
Wait.
Yeah, man, the stagnant things sting them,
Be my
man.
portion, them go and say what? Why be them
People with
portion?
ambition will never end up
Why be
stagnant.
them portion?
Because people who have ambition will always be a fighter in life. And people who don't have the ambition end up be stagnant because they don't have no fighting at them. They are so easy to give up that as them try one thing, that's it. So them end up stagnant.
That won't be them portion.
And please don't run with it. Say the lady threatened the body and my page did not.
No
She
come pretty up
refer to
nothing,
something
man.
say when you do wickedness. Yeah, that's how let me clear that part.
You don't need to put yourself in the same boat. Because there's a lot of that you do out here. A lot of that you do out here. So put yourself in the same boat.
Some of them, prison, I go reach them. And I go debt, I go reach them. You see
It have to reach your first, it have to pass your avenue before it reach whosoever you want it to reach.
Debt reach some of them. The lottery money.
It have to reach your avenue before it reach whosoever one you want it to reach. So it not pass you. You and your friend them, it not pass them.
I go reach them.
Just like you.
Let me tell you.
None of we not come here to come stone. None of we. No matter what you have to take you home, you have to go home. So nobody feel like you exempt from death. You're not exempt. Just like you and your friend them, Carl, you're not exempt. Speak my mind, people, bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. You come to the end of another video. You know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video and please to watch it as continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV and YouTube. Follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV and continue to support the merge on the website of Charms and Trends. The link is in the comment section pin. Hit the blue writing, scroll along and you will see everything. Speak my mind t-shirt, Life is a Mission t-shirt, Speak my mind caps. Anything you want over there, see to get it customized to your liking. Continue to support so I can continue to give back to the needy and not the greedy. Bless upon yourself and peace out and have a wonderful afternoon when it comes tomorrow when you see this video. Run over if you have not yet seen the video, the Pig's Tail Fritters and the Life's a Mission channel, go ahead and watch that video. Find a new way to look after something different in the kitchen to suit your husband or if it's a man to suit your wife. Peace out.